Hey there, this is Matt Williams, International Instructor for the Fax and Document Distribution Group at OpenText. Recently, I visited with my friends at HP in Amstelveen, here in the Netherlands, to see their multifunction devices, usually called MFPs, and to get a demonstration of how they like to integrate with RightFax via the MFP module. In case you aren't familiar with the MFP module, it basically waits for scans from an MFP device, then automatically sends them out as a fax. We can work with a single MFP or thousands, and the configuration is in either scenario is done just once. Let's take a look at how the MFP module works with devices like those from HP. First, the end user walks up to the MFP and enters some information about who he is and where his fax needs to go. Then he clicks Send to scan his document. If the end user wants to wait by the MFP, he'll get a confirmation page when the fax is sent. Otherwise, he can go back to his desk and look in his fax client to see the current status of the fax. When the MFP scanned the document, it created an image file and some metadata, which is stored in a shared directory on the network. This is where the MFP module takes over. We watch that directory, and when we find a new image file, we pick it up and start to process it. Although it sounds at first like a 2 or 3-step process, there are actually quite a few moving parts. The administrator can monitor the entire process from the EDC monitor. He can see the fax move through the entire data flow and easily identify any bottlenecks that might come up. If they do, adding a service for that step should alleviate the issue. Now, normally, an end user will enter in their information on the MFP using the touchscreen or the number pad, but they could also log in using the SafeCom system. This requires just a swipe of an access card, and all of their contact info will automatically show up on the fax cover sheet. This makes the end user's experience even simpler, and the fax recipient gets a much better idea of where the fax came from. I'd like to thank HP in Amstelveen for letting me stop by their showroom to see their MFPs in action. Seeing how a human being, such as myself, actually engages with the device really helped me understand what it's like to use the MFP module in RightFax. I hope you got the same benefit from watching this video. For more videos about Fax Server, be sure to check out our channel on YouTube. New videos are showing up all the time. Also, check out the Fax Solutions blog with regular postings from all of my colleagues in the Fax and Document Distribution Group. If you have any comments or feedback about this video, share them with me on Twitter. Just go to twitter.com/technoevangelist. If you don't use Twitter, then leave a comment on the blog. I love getting feedback and suggestions, and many of the videos I've made have come from those suggestions. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.